Hey you guys, and what is up? So today I wanted to share some new products that I got from the Happy Planner. So I am so excited to share these with you all. These are the journals that just recently came out and we got a few to share. So I got this pink one that says these are the days, and then I got this floral one that says bloom from the heart, and I got this big black one that says present over perfect. And then the other one that I got that I think is so gorgeous is this like beige taupe one with these like coral discs. It says plan dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life. So cute. So that is adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around so y'all, we can do like a quick flip through and y'all can see what these look like, because these are absolutely gorgeous. But let's go ahead and do that. All right, you guys, so this is what we have here. Let's start off with the classic size, because I feel like that is what would be easiest to flip through. Let me fix my camera. Okay, so this is the one that says these are the days. Move the front side. Cute. So it is like transparent, if you can tell. It's like a hard plastic, but it's transparent. It's frosted, I should say, because it's not completely clear, but it's really cute. It has this foil detail on the top and bottom, and it says these are the days. So that is really cute. It is like a rose gold if you're not able to see it because of my lighting, but this is like a rose gold, so that is so cute. And let's go ahead and dive into it. So it does come with this paper here, so you just don't look right into the planner. And on the other side, it has this pink detail, this pink print. It does come with some stickers, so since these are undated, so you can date your planner. So that is really cute. And it comes with two because it's for January through April, June. So it has every single month. So that is pretty awesome. And this is what it looks like. So I feel like this is very similar to like the Currently pages, but you can use these for like writing notes or priorities or anything that you would need like that. It does come with a year at a glance. I love these, and I love how simple and minimal these are. Here's another one of those sheets. Monthly. Sheets. Monthly. So it's just like continuous. And let me look to see how many months there is. I'm assuming there's 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Awesome. So it does come with the full year, and then it comes with these dividers, and these aren't transparent. At least this one's not, but it is a little see-through, if you can see my fingers through there. But this is like a nude color, super cute. Then it has this like gray, it looks like a dark gray color. Transparent one. I wish they just had a bunch of transparent ones, but that is really good. Another coral one, or this is like a peach color. And then note paper. So there's just like a ton of note paper. I feel like this is really good for something like work notes or, you know, stuff like that, like work related, very professional. And even if you wanted to use it for like social media, and then the back just looks like that. So that is really cute. The discs, you guys, don't have the heart. So that is pretty cool. It's different, but it's cool. I feel like somebody that maybe doesn't want their planner to look like super girly or something like that, I feel like this is a great option. So that is what this one looks like. And then the next classic size that we have is the Bloom from the Heart. And this one has their florals. If you may remember this, if you're a Happy Planner person already, you may remember these from the, I think it was Detailed Florals, if I'm not mistaken, or I don't remember if I'm being honest, but it was one of the floral sticker book. I think it may just be the floral sticker book. But anyways, it also comes with the white paper florals on this side. And this is the one that does have a little bit more color, but it is still subtle. Let me just cut this off because I feel like if I slide it off, it's going to take forever. So the colors are a little bit brighter. So it comes with the entire year, just like the other one we looked at. Awesome. And then the same thing, it's a year at a glance. And then you have the monthly. So it's like notes, kind of like a currently priorities section, monthly, and then notes. So that's what that looks like, and it's 12 months total. This beautiful bright coral pink divider. Here's a peach one. This bright yellow, super nice. It reminds me of like Heather Kale. And then another one of those bright pink coral dividers. And then it does have a ton of note paper. I love that it's super like minimal and simple. So that is really cool. And then the back just has all the florals. Cute. And it does tell you like here at the back, 6 sticker sheets, monthly calendar, pages for divider, year overview, note paper. So that is pretty awesome. So cute. And this is like a gold foil. I'm pretty sure it's gold. Yeah, it's gold. So cute. Okay, and then the next one that I'm going to show you all. Oh, and I forgot to share. The discs on this one are white and they don't have the heart on them or any shape at all. The next one that I have here is this black one. It says present over perfect. It's just black and it has these gold speckles at the bottom. It's a big, so it's really large. Hopefully, I think that's good enough. Okay, and then it has the same thing, just a white sheet with these speckles and the back. Let's cut this off. Oh, okay. My little Christmas tree's about to fall. Okay, so it does come with the stickers. So it's the same thing, total of 6 with all the months. You got the year at a glance, or what did they call it? The year overview. Sorry, I should start calling things by what they're named, right? So you got that, and then you got your monthly. So this is, I feel like this would be great for like a teacher. Like, you know, at least I know a lot of teachers use the big because you don't have to make the pages smaller. So I think this is great for like a teacher or a student or something like that. Or even like a professional, like if you work in office. It does come with this white divider, a black one, a clear one. I need like 50 of these, more, but in the classic size, and then a black one. And then here we have all the note paper. Okay. And then the back sheet is the same, like it has the white and the speckles. And then the back is just black. So that is what that looks like. And it does come with white solid discs. And this next one, honestly, this is my favorite. If they had this in a classic size, I would be all over it. But this is so cute. I feel like this with white discs, oh my gosh, I'm here for it. But this is so beautiful. It has this beautiful gold details. And it says, plant dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life. So cute. Oh, I love these flowers. Okay, but let's go ahead and look into it. And on this side, it has pink florals. So cute. I'm here. I love pink, so yeah. And then you have the same, just the sticker sheets, a total of 6. The year overview. And then you have the same thing, like this note, currently page type of situation, the monthlies. And you have a total for a year here. You have this beautiful nude color divider, this gray tone one. You have a clear one, another peach nude color one, and then some note paper. So awesome. And then you have the same thing in the back. There's sheet paper, and you got the back cover. Honestly, so cute. I love that it has like the floral print on it, so you can see it once it's laid on the white. This is so cute. Love it. I think this is absolutely my favorite. I wish I used a big so I could actually use this. And it comes with these coral solid discs. So cute. But that is what I got and what I wanted to share with you all. I think these are gorgeous. Definitely like a perfect gift, or the perfect thing to gift to someone, or someone that is new to planning. I feel like this is a great idea for someone, like I said, that is new to planning or just doesn't do a lot of planning. But this is so beautiful. I love this collection. I love the frosted covers. I think they're so cute. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.